Hello. So, aim of the game today is get the other side of that wall down there, the bigger wall, get that up to the same height as the front. Then that should all be lovely dead level. But first we need to move about 4 ton of rubble basically, where there is another wall going in. We've just got to clear a load of space, so we're going to spend the morning basically moving a load of stone by hand because we've got no other option. And then yeah, like I say, we're going to crack on with that other wall I was doing last video, and then yeah, just get that level, and then we can start thinking about running on the top lining. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's crack on with today, and yeah, see what happens. Like another, like one like that, but it's only small. Not that long. It's a bit much, isn't it? How are they going to police that? Have one bloke going around looking at everyone's gun. Is that actually a thing? Oh! I wish that was me. So how often do you do your car boot sales? Why did I say that really strange?
It was very formal. I only done this once.
Joe, I do love a car boot, I'm not gonna lie.
Should have come along.
What would you offer me? You don't want to be seen with such cool people, do you? Did they buy any of your goods?
No.
He doesn't look a thing like Jesus, buddy.
Well, I just dead all then.
When Cam was young. Feels like it's going to be a warm one, mate. Warm. Warm. Cam on tour.
I ended up spending all the money I made when I was there anyway.
Why? What's a big word for you?
Which one, equity or business? Both.
Well done. Cam?
You know me, mate.
Mate, you cannot say I don't appreciate you.
Someone's got to, haven't they?
I don't know how to respond to that, sorry. I wish that was me. I need to get this song out of my head. La 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 la, I need a bed. Nice one, just a bit big. Cam's on bag.
That doesn't even make sense.
Right.
Hands on bag.
Yeah. You're holding a bag. You need to get out more, Cam, if that makes you laugh. Told you, you need your own documentary, mate.
that Netflix.
Yeah. Do you know what? This line is really good. Like, really good. You always get like a bit of a sag, didn't you? You know what I mean? Saggy. I need to be careful because I'm a little bit loose. So just don't make me laugh. Send me that. It's muggy, isn't it? It's muggy. Oh, baby, I love your way every day. Yeah, yeah. Well, that's the grease lightning. Mate, it's just so loud. I know you can't help it. It does scare me every time. Takeaway? Yeah. I do love an Indian, not gonna lie. Yeah, I do like an Indian.
Logan Josh.
How do you know?
How do I know you're Indian order?
Because I know you. You got any, that's a bit hot. You know the curry? Yeah. What about the sun-dries?
Sun-dries?
Yeah. I think that's what you call it.
What are you on about?
The sun-dries, whatever you order, I'm pretty sure it is. It's like the rice and all that stuff. The extras.
Oh, you like garlic rice?
Oh, yeah. Or, no, there is two.
Or mushroom?
Yeah. Mate, how do you know that?
I'm telling you, I know you.
Stop saying it,
You might think I don't take in a lot, but I take in more than you think.
no, you take in you know more about my Indian order than you do walling. I don't really know what I'm doing yet.
Do any of us?
No. Why are we here? Come on then, Cam. Why are we on this earth? To love each other.
And to make babies.
To make babies. It's true, isn't it? I was put on this earth to guide you through life. Oh, it's getting a bit low down here. I'm just going to get the old knee pads on. Are you offering? You can do, yeah. Maybe not actually knee pads, just
Pure green.
yeah, that knee pad. Mate, at the end of the day, you dedicate your life to it.
To what? Walling.
To walling, yeah. These walls aren't just bits of stone, mate.
Yeah, that probably explains a lot.
Mate, seriously. This bit's all wonky here. Just want to sort it out.
Give you a carrot to carry them, mate.
do it so aggressively?
I don't do it aggressively.
But it just sounds like you're literally chucking it. Oh, that one's a bit of a wonky one, but you know what? We're going for a really rustic style on this one, Cam.
For her birthday, she said she wanted to go to Barry Island while we're there. With Gavin and Stacey.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what, actually? I've been.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's actually because the things there and that, and obviously the beach bit where they filmed.
Yeah.
That's alright, you know what I mean? But is it Marco's or something?
Oh yeah,
the ice cream bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all there.
As a fellow Gavin and Stacey fan,
I'd say you're more into it.
I thought you would appreciate that.
Yeah. I think a good business thing would be a trampoline park for adults.
Yeah.
Like stag do's and hen do's and stuff.
Yeah. Alcoholic slushies and stuff.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
But think of the insurance the places would have to take out.
Oh yeah. Mate, I've seen you know, like they have like ball pit parties at clubs and that.
Do they?
Yeah. Or like, you know, like the foam parties.
Yeah.
You've been to one of them, haven't you?
Yeah, I have.
It's like that.
I'm not being funny. That was probably one of the worst experiences of my life.
Really? That's why, like, Glastonbury, all their bottles of water are like £10.
Is it? Yeah, it's got to be, isn't it, because of that.
I'll tell you what, I know we were talking about concerts the other day, and don't get me wrong, I like a concert, but I wouldn't be able to do Glastonbury.
No.
Something like that.
No. I've never actually... I've been offered to go in that, but it's just not my thing.
No.
I'd rather just sit in like an old pub with a folk band or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
My old boss at the farm, he's like a big Glastonbury goer and that. He said one year he went to the toilet, right? He done his thing, and as he was trying to wipe, he put the back of his hand kept on getting poo on it because the toilets are that high, filled up. How grim is that? Imagine that.
I thought someone was just there wiping it on him. Yeah, so I suppose there's ways of doing it though, isn't there? You can go posh.
Posh Glastonbury.
Well, you can't you? You can get all like tents and that now. It's nice that it's a bit personal.
Don't get me wrong, Shut Hands isn't necessarily my type of music.
You know, you just appreciate like live music, you know what I mean?
Even I was a bit like, wow.
Well, it's just like the effect of it, isn't it?
What are you doing? Running that lining and then building that up and then running it down to nothing?
Yeah. Well, no, but best thing is, tomorrow we'll get that end right up. That's what we'll concentrate on.
Yeah.
Get that end up, and then once that end's up, actually put a line on top of it, all the way down to the top of that one.
Yeah.
And then what I'll do is, at points, I will build like a triangle.
Yeah.
And then obviously we can run it in. So probably about halfway, I'll have the line, obviously, you know, the line will be going down like that on it, like it is there. I'll build a triangle to that height, and then I'll actually level across from it.
Yeah.
Just to keep the straightness, and then the triangular bits we can just sort of run in. I'm not going to do it too. I'm not going to go too thin with it. It'll just be gradual. Do you know what I mean? You'll sort of have like the top bits will be folding off. What's the time?
2 o'clock.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, that fits in there like a glove.
Tin of spam. Yeah. I don't think I've ever had it.
You probably actually would like it.
It's pork, isn't it?
I wouldn't really call it pork. It's the bits of pork they basically can't sell.
Right.
Just get out of the car. I think one manoeuvre.
I think it's only one you get out of them, isn't it? Like the parallel park.
I think I was supposed to do two, but because of the weather.
No, I do think it's only one you do.
Well, not weather, traffic was so bad.
Yeah.
Like I say, we only had time to do one.
That's the other thing. If you're sat in traffic for your whole test, you pass if you haven't.
In traffic for the whole thing, but I did get no minors. Yeah, and I got a clean sheet.
Did you pass last time?
Yeah. Of course he did. Of course you did. I'm bringing my test. I still got it at home actually.
No, I wasn't doubting you. I just mean like show off.
I was lucky though, because mate, I knew how to drive at like 13.
Yeah. Yeah, that's our holiday then.
Yeah.
Better than Greece.
Greece? Yeah. Mate, it happens to the best of us, bro.
Mate, I was 3 points off. If I got like 26 out of 50, then I'll let you take the mick out of me. 3 points.
Mate, even if you had passed, I still would have took the mick out of you. It's just what happens around here. You ain't getting much out there, are you?
Unfortunately, a lot of it's thin.
And also new.
You have one of these cornerish ones if you want.
No, mate, we need to keep. Oh, what's going on with him?
All of the old stuff here is pretty much now.
Well, this is the problem, because it'll be alright, we're just gonna have to work it, we like work it. Hey,
What are you making for dinner tonight?
chicken thighs.
Lettuce and bread. Lettuce.
You make me up to be an animal, don't you?
No.
Yeah, I'm not trying to crush your dreams.
You're always trying to crush my dreams.
What do you mean I'm trying to crush your dreams?
You told me Santa Claus weren't real.
Oh, I'm just trying to welcome you to the world.
Welcome to the world.
Welcome to the world, Cam.
Welcome to the world.
You want a bit thinner. I feel like it's been a hard slog today.
Yeah. I think it's just mugginess.
It's moving all that stone, mate.
Done well though.
Yeah. Oh, so it's good to get this flattened out. That looks quite good down there now, doesn't it?
Come on, analyse.
Do you know what I mean? To actually see some height now.
Yeah.
I'm happy with it. Ooh, that baby's dried up nice. Lovely. Lovely. Worked out well then, tops. Worked out really well. Love it. So, this one's done. And then this one. Ta-da-la. It's getting there. Oh, a bit dirty. Why is that so dirty? That was timing, weren't it? I just cleaned up all the grass and look what's come out to play. It's a little robot. Well, what are you going to do here then? What are you going to do here? It doesn't actually hit the wall, does it? No. Look at that. So, it's quite a length of wall, isn't it? It is quite a length of wall. So that now, down there, that is top of wall height. So I've got that dead flat, lovely jubbly. Tomorrow, we're going to build this end up. And then what we'll do, I will run a line, because it's probably it's going to be that high where my finger is. What we'll do, we'll put a line there, all the way to the top of the wall there. And then I will level off it again, and it'll probably go to about there, I would say, obviously where the line will be going down. And then I'll build that in, and then that little nugget, I'll just literally attach a line from that point to there, and then I'll just run it in with a level. It's just the fastest way I like to build it. But yeah, lovely jubbly. That's doing all right. That's good now, doesn't it? Coming along there, it's going to look absolutely lovely when this wall's up, but we've still got quite a long way to go. Quite a long way to go. But anyway, going to crack on home with my mate. One of them days, actually. One of them days we just move all that stone and then move it back. It was a right pickle. But righty, let's roll on tomorrow. And yeah, see what happens. Love it. Thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in a bit.